Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to change or how to unblur iPhone home screen wallpaper. So as you can see, by default, whenever you add or create a new wallpaper, your iPhone home screen wallpaper will be completely blurred. Now to make the home screen wallpaper unblur, go to your iPhone settings and tap on wallpaper. And here you will find your current wallpaper. Just tap on home screen wallpaper and you will directly jump into your iPhone home screen wallpaper settings page. Here at the bottom right, just disable blur option and tap on done. And that's it. Now as you can see, my iPhone home screen wallpaper has been successfully unblurred. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.